Hi everybody. So if you're like me and you absolutely refuse to age and hate having gray hair, you need this. Clairol Root Touch-Up. First of all, I don't know how it matches, but it does. I have like an ash color natural hair, light brown, but it's almost like cigarette ash, I've been told. How nice. But I get the 6A, I sometimes get 6G, any form of that color, light brown, light ash brown. It amazes me that it matches. It matches my roots. It doesn't matter which shade I get of the one that's closest to my color. So my point is, it'll be very easy for you to find your match, and it will match your current color. This extends the amount of time that I need to go to the salon, so I don't have to go once a month. I do not like showing any gray hair, and this fills in between my salon visits. I always have at least one of these in the house. If you have gray hair like me, you need this. You will save money, so you don't need to go to the salon as often. Good luck.